Olá pessoal, neste vídeo vocês conhecerão a divisão da Seagate Design Service para a criação de novos produtos. Vejam que os discos rígidos passam por testes que vão desde térmico, vibração, acústico e de performance para garantir a confiabilidade do produto.
Seagate Design Services can help customers improve their product's reliability, improve their product's performance, even improve the product's time to market, not by cutting corners, but by adding expertise.
Since Seagate's beginning, we've been integrating hard drives into all sorts of devices, including servers, PCs, and more recently consumer devices. Through that history, we've developed a level of expertise that can't be paralleled anywhere else in this industry.
Whenever a customer comes in and I give them a tour of our building, they're always very surprised at how many kinds of engineering expertise are involved in integrating a disk drive.
We help the first PC manufacturers make the first PCs, first server makers, the first consumer electronics manufacturers.
We were the first with the 7,200 RPM drives, the first with the 10,000 RPM drives, and the first ones out there with the 15,000 RPM drives.
We are one of the only ones, if not the only ones, that have been able to invest the type of time, resource into the infrastructure that is necessary to provide this type of information for our customers.
Seagate's an expert in storage.
Now we're opening up these services that we've offered to the world's biggest companies to all of our customers.
What we work for is to speed our customers' success. The more reliable they are, the faster they get to market, the better Seagate does.
In the future, we expect that there are success stories waiting to happen today out in the field who have a brilliant idea on a service that they're offering that's going to take off, and we want to be the person that they work with when that happens.
We've got a team that is really focused on customer needs. They're very experienced with the issues that customers have when integrating hard drive storage into new products.
We have design centers at 4 locations in the world, as well as field engineering sites that complement each of those.
The customer only needs to contact one person.
This is a very competitive market. It changes frequently. The technology changes very fast. All the information comes in through one contact. We build a relationship with the customer, and we work with them to meet their needs and what their requirements are. They want to be able to know that somebody is being their advocate inside that's representing them and making sure that their needs are being met.
When you bring a new product to Seagate Design Services, we really help you from the very beginning of the process all the way out to when you're ready to ship the product off the assembly line.
We offer a wide array of services including thermal testing, rotational vibration, reliability, performance optimization, or even acoustics and other areas that are important to the customer.
Customers are surprised to find we can predict what the temperature of a disk drive will be in their system before they've even built it. From the earliest part of designing the functionality of a hard drive into your system, we have engineering services to help the entire way. We have the highest shock specifications in the industry, and we have stress to failure portions in virtually every test in our entire process.
We literally have the best people in the world at helping customers integrate a hard drive into any kind of storage-enabled device.
We want to offer customers a full set of services that allows them to succeed at their businesses.
We had a new customer that we hadn't done business with previously. They were amazed at how quickly and how professional it was done, and to the extent it was done. They hadn't seen something like that before.
This is a special team we have here, and they're all about breaking down those walls and making sure the customer gets what they need.
We just throw the badges on the table and we work together to problem solve. And then we take that information internally here and we test it not only to those requirements, but 2x those requirements.
The engineering services we're offering are extremely high value. They're very low cost, they're very rapid turnaround, and they're very accurate in terms of exactly the data you need.
Ultimately, the benefit to the customer is they don't need to spend millions of dollars developing a lab with thousands of PCs and developing a technical staff with hundreds of years of experience. They can count on Seagate covering their back.
Overall, bringing in an expert is going to give you a competitive edge by making you faster to market with fewer failure mechanisms and maximum reliability.
We drive ourselves relentlessly to that end, and we're really tough on ourselves to make sure that we meet our customers' requirements and their success.
The bottom line is that this team, because of their expertise, can help you meet your business objective. And that's a huge benefit that nobody else in this industry can offer.